If we are to go by Rabiu Musa's tweet last year, it's most likely that Kwankwaso is being penciled for signing the Sharia law when he was governor. But I think it goes beyond Sharia, I think it's more about the perceived fallout of Sharia and how Sharia is being applied. There are people who think that the Sharia contributed to the emergence of religious extremist groups like Boko Haram, that it somewhat contributed to its escalation, if at all it did not contribute directly to it. The opinion is that if people like Kwankwaso had not signed Sharia into law, maybe we wouldn't be talking about insecurity in Nigeria at the rate we are talking about it now. Secondly, it's also about the extent and limit of Sharia. The fact that the implementation of Sharia has affected both Muslims and non-Muslims. The US congressman indicated so in the bill. The impression being created is that Sharia is only applicable to Muslims. But we have seen that that is not the case. Because take for example, when there is some sort of Ramadan fast, Christians who are seen eating are being harassed by the Hizbah police. And if you look up cases of religious killings or those who have been jailed due to alleged blasphemy in the past decade, you will count not less than maybe 8 Christian names. Or remember the case of Deborah Samuel, the one that happened in Sokoto State. Or remember the case of Bridget Abahime. There are quite a number of them. Florence Chukwu, Christiana Luatoyin Luashesin. You have the case of Rhoda Jatau. This case of Rhoda Jatau is even funny because she was imprisoned for about 18 months because she shared a video condemning Deborah Samuel's death. But those who killed Deborah are still roaming about. The worst is that when these killings happen, there will be condemnation from all quarters. Suspects will be arrested, then released. The one of Bridget Abahime in Kano in 2016, the state attorney general was the one that reportedly withdrew the case for whatever reason. That was under Abdullahi Ganduje as governor. The same thing happens to almost all the cases. For no reason, the case will not proceed, and then someone will deny that there is no religious violations. You can deny the claim of Christian genocide, but can you deny the claim of rights and freedom violations in the name of religion by some individuals? I've always said it that if Nigeria is not willing to talk about the extent of the implementation of Sharia, then we're going to have people like Rabiu Musa talking about it on our behalf. If we're not willing to talk about the extent of Sharia implementation, then we're deceiving ourselves.